Welcome back, student. Today we will consider some problem of physics. My dear student, we will have brainstorming over the problem first. The resistance of a device is 100 ohm. Find the current through it when a potential difference of 20 volt is applied across it. To pass the same current through a device having resistance of 200 ohms, how much potential difference should be applied across it? My dear student, in this problem, some values are given and two conditions are given. First, we will try to solve the first condition. Hundred ohm means this value is of resistance. Find the current through it. Current we have to find. If the potential difference is 20 volt, My dear student, we know the formula. V is equal to I R. We have to find current. Current is equal to V by R. Therefore, I is equal to V by R. We'll put the value. I is equal to V by R. I is equal to 20 by 100. 20 on the 20, 20 5 the 100. I is equal to 1 by 5. We will divide and see. 5 0 the 0 minus 1.0 5 2 the 10 0 0. R is equal to 0.2 and the unit for current is ampere. Condition 2. The same current is passed through the device. Therefore, I is equal to 0.2 ampere. Having a resistance of R is equal to 200 ohms. How much potential difference should be applied across it? So we have to find V. Again, my dear student, we know the formula. V is equal to IR. We'll put the value. V is equal to 0.2 into 200. Now, my dear student, we have to remove the decimal point. 0.2 into 10 divided by 10 into 200. So we can write V is equal to, point is removed, 2 upon 10 into 200. 0 0 cut. V is equal to 2 into 20. V is equal to 40 and the unit of potential difference is V. How much potential difference should be applied across it? The potential difference applied across it should be 40 volt. We'll see the next problem. Let's study the next problem. Problem number 6. Let's have brainstorming over the problem first. The resistance of a wire. Resistance R of a wire is 20 ohms. The length of wire L is equal to 31.4 meter and the diameter D is equal to 1 mm. Find the resistivity of a material of the wire. My dear student, the resistance of a wire of length 31.4 meter and the diameter 1 mm is 20 ohms. Find the resistivity of the material of the wire. My dear student, length is 31.4 meter given. The diameter is given 1 mm and 20 ohms. Ohm is a unit of resistance and resistance we have taken 20 ohms. We have to find the resistivity of a material. Now my dear student, we know resistance is directly proportional to length and inversely proportional to area of cross section. We have to remove the directly proportional sign. So we will write R and put is equal to, we will put a constant and this constant is resistivity of a material into length upon area. We will take A to the other side of the equation. AR is equal to resistivity of a material into L, but we have to find resistivity of a material, so we will keep resistivity of the material as it is, A, R, and we will take length to the other side of equation. So we can write resistivity of a material is equal to A R upon L. But my dear student, here A is equal to pi R square. We put this in equation, that is in our formula. Resistivity of a material is equal to pi R square r upon length. R square is introduced in the formula. So we have to find R. R we don't know. But we know what is D. D is equal to 1 mm. Now my dear student, here length is given in meter and diameter is given in millimeter. We have to convert this diameter into meter. So we all know meter, millimeter, 1 meter, 1000 millimeter, 1 millimeter, dash meter. We'll have cross multiplication. Thousand x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 divided by 1000. X is equal to 1 upon 10 to the power 3. X is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. But x is what? Diameter. So diameter is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. But we have to find radius. So radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. We'll put the values. R is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 upon 2. 2, 1 will divide. 2, 0 the 0 minus 1, 0.02, 5 the 10, 0, 0. So radius is equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Meter. 10 to the power minus 3. Now we will try to remove the decimal point. So R is equal to 0.5 into 10 upon 10 into 10 to the power minus 3. So here, my dear friend, decimal point is removed. R is equal to 5 upon 10 into 10 to the power minus 3. 5 to the power 1 we can write. So R is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. So my dear student, we have got the value of R. Now this value we will put in the formula. R is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. We have find out. Now input all the values in the formula. Our formula is resistivity of a material is equal to pi r square into r upon L. Value of pi. Radius in into 5 into 10 to the minus 4 square into resistance, and resistance is given 20 ohms. So you will write here 20 divided by length, and length is what? 31.4. First we will try to remove the bracket. Five into 10 to the power minus 4 square. So we can write it into 5 into 5 square means 2 times multiplication into 10 to the power minus 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 2 times of multiplication into 20 31.4. Resistivity of a material is equal to 3.14 into 5 5 25 into 10. We have to add the power 4 plus 4 into 20 upon 31.4. Resistivity of a material is equal to 3.14 into 25 into 10 minus 4 plus minus 4 into 20 upon 31.4. Resistivity of a material is equal to 3.14 into 25 into minus plus sign will be minus 10 to the power minus 8 into 20 upon 31.4. Resistivity of a material is equal to 3.14 into 25 into 10 to the power minus 8 into, we'll put this 20 into 2 into 10, 20 upon 31.4. Resistivity of a material is equal to 3.14 into 25 into 2 into 10 to the power 8 into 10 upon 31.4. We have just arranged the values. So resistivity of a material is equal to 3.14 into 25 into 2 50 into 10 minus 8 plus 1 upon 31.4. Resistivity of a material is equal to 3.14 into 50 into 10 to the power plus minus 7 upon 31.4. Resistivity of a material, this again will convert it into the form of 10. 3.14 into 5 into 10 into 10 to the power minus 7 upon 31.4. Resistivity of a material is equal to 3.14 into 5 into 10 1 plus minus 7 upon 31.4. Resistivity of a material is equal to 3.14 into 5 into 10 to the power 1 plus minus 7 upon 31.4. Resistivity of a material is equal to 3.14 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon 31.4. My dear student, now we will try to remove the decimal point. Resistivity of a material is equal to 3.14 into 100. We will divide it also by 100 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 31.4 into 10 into 10. Resistivity of a material is equal to 314 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 upon 100 into 314. Here also the decimal point is removed. 314 cancel, 314 cancel. 10 ones are 10 tens are 100. Resistivity of a material is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon 10. So resistivity of a material is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. Here 10 to the power 1 minus 10 to the power 1. So it will go up and become minus. So resistivity of a material is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 ohm meter. the resistivity of the material of the wire is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 ohm meters. We'll see the next problem. My dear student, the same problem we can solve by the another method, but you should know the formulas and the tricks. Resistivity of a material is equal to pi r square into resistance upon L. We'll put the value. Value of pi is 3.14 into 5 into 10 to the power 4 square is radius into resistance is 20 upon length, and length is 31.4. Now my dear student, if such type of calculation is there, we can do it very easily. First, 3.14, the point can be removed directly. 314 into 10 to the power minus 2. Here into 5 square into 10 to the power minus 4 square. We know the formula of maths. We can write like this. Into 2 into 10, and this point we can directly remove by putting 10 to the power minus 1. 314 cancel. 10 to the power minus 2 into 5 5 are 25 into 10 to the power 4 2 are 8 minus 8 into 2 into 10 upon 10 to the power minus 1. So now we will take 25 into 2 on one side and 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 10 to the power 1 to the other side, and in divided and it divide we have to divide it by 10 to the power minus 1. 25 to the 50 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 10 to the power 1 upon 10 to the power minus 1. 50 can be written as 5 into 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 10 to the power 1 upon 10 minus 1. Resistivity of a material is equal to 5 into 10. Now base is the same, so what we can do, we can add all the power. 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 8 plus 1. 1 minus 2 minus 8 plus 1 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 8 plus 1 minus plus and will be minus. 1 minus minus 8 will be minus 9 plus 1. Plus minus minus and will be minus 8. So we can write 10 to the power minus 8 upon 10 to the power minus 1. So resistivity of a material is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 8. Minus will become plus 1. So resistivity of a material is equal to 5 into 10 to the power 7. And the unit for resistivity of a material is ohm meter. Answer. The resistivity of the material is 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 ohm meter.